Hi people, Chucky here, Doc Ray. Anyways, kasama ko yung pamilya ko. Ayan ang dalawang kids sa likod. Say hi guys, hindi naman kids, adult kids
Hi
na yan.
people.
Yan, hi. And syempre yung camera woman ko. Please make yourself known, recognized. Dali, ikot mo naman. Dali, isang ikot lang. Ngumiti ka lang. Dali, isa lang. I can edit it out later. Sige na. Mag-hi ka lang. Yay! Okay. Anyways, papunta po kami Tagaytay ngayon. We're coming from Mandaluyong. Ito po yung may Silo Circle ngayon. Pamakati kami dahil pa-SLEX kami. Gusto ko lang subukan because we are now riding the Nissan Kicks, okay? And the Nissan Kicks is a hybrid vehicle, okay? So, basically, hindi siya katulad ng mga ibang hybrid vehicles na nakikita ninyo because pure electric ang nagpa-power sa kotse na ito. Ang gas engine po niya ay, ang purpose po niya is only to charge the electric battery of the car. So, yung electric battery po talaga nagpa-power sa sasakyan na ito. So, I just want to show you yung gasoline namin. Halos 3/4 ang puno niya, as you can see. So 3/4 full. And I just wanna try out and test kung kamusta naman ang gas consumption and efficiency niya heading to Tagaytay. Okay, kasi ang balita ko napakatipid at sobrang efficient nito sa pagkonsumo ng gasolina. Kaya sobrang tipid talaga in terms of budget, in terms of long rides, di ba? It's the perfect vehicle for people who want to transition to an electric vehicle pero since hindi pa nga kalat ang EV charging stations, ito yung perfect way to move to that particular vehicle kasi hybrid siya. Pwede mong kargahan, no need to charge the vehicle at home or anywhere dahil yung gas engine niya mismo kumakarga na sa electric battery. So tara, samahan po ninyo kami and quick road trip lang ito and babalik din naman kami sa bahay mamaya. So tara, sama-sama tayo. Let's go to Tagaytay. Let's enjoy the trip and let's enjoy the ride with the Nissan Kicks. So right now nakasampa na tayo sa Skyway and based on Waze, our destination in Tagaytay is around 58 kilometers away. 3/4 ang gas, 58 kilometers away. Let's just see kung ano yung consumption niya papunta and pabalik na rin just in case para malaman din natin if we need to gas up later on pabalik. But you know, from what I've heard nga about the Nissan Kicks, napakalayo ng nararating ng sasakyan without even gassing up kasi nga very efficient in terms of fuel consumption. So we'll check that out. So as you can see, it's only the gas engine only charges the electric battery. Ayan. So pag nasisense niya na kailangan ng extra power or medyo kulang ang power ng electric battery, the fuel engine turns on automatically to charge the electric battery. And then palabas naman from the battery going to the wheel, meaning it's powering the car right now. Okay, so nagche-check muna tayo ng hangin ng gulong. Safety first. Kasama, lalo na kasama ang pamilya, di ba? And as with any travel, we have to be safe. So we have to check everything and that the vehicle is in perfect running condition.
Oh, sa loob mismo ng Nurture Wellness.
Okay, so we finally reached our destination here in Tagaytay, and based on the stats sa dashboard, ang average consumption natin is there, 14.7 kilometers to the liter. But when I turn it off later on, makikita pa ninyo this particular drive kung gaano ka-efficient ang drive natin. So, let's turn it off and let's check it out. Here we go. Ayan. Best is 22.1 based on all the drives. Current natin is 12.6 kilometers to 1 liter. So, sobrang efficient talaga. And ang gasolina po natin, ayan, we started off 3/4. Nabawasan na siya ng konti Actually, halos nasa 3/4 pa rin siya. So, halos hindi nagalaw talaga yung gasolina. So, I guess hindi na muna tayo kakarga pa uwi dahil mukhang sobra-sobra talagang gasolina. And that's proof that the Nissan Kicks, in terms of fuel efficiency, sobrang galing lang talaga. So, nagugutom na ako. This is actually late lunch, so mag-lunch na muna tayo. Time check, 6:36 p.m. Nag-late lunch kami kaya medyo madalim na rin ngayon. Heading to Balay Dako to buy some pasalubong pa uwi bago kami tumuloy pababa. So yun, so far ganun pa rin ang gasolina dahil kakaalis lang naman namin ng restaurant. So yeah, sama lang kayo and we'll just see kung kumusta ang konsumo ng gasolina ng Nissan Kicks. So we're now in saan tayo? Cecilia's Bukupay. Waiting ang mga kids dito, so I'm gonna have to leave the car on. So ayan, para makita na rin natin kung kamusta ang konsumo ng gasoline. Anyways, lipat muna kami. Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Hi guys! Alright.
Hi! Hello!
Okay. Yeah. Sibat muna kami. Okay, so tapos na kami dito sa isang branch ng pasalubong store. Headed to where now? Hacienda. Hindi Hacienda. Yeah, tutuloy na kami doon. Umuulan na naman. Anyways, hopefully open pa siya. If not, we'll head back home. Okay, so nakahabol na kami sa outlet mall. Quick ikot lang. We're headed home. We're probably gonna have to stop over to have quick dinner before heading back home talaga. But yeah, it's raining pa rin. And so far, hindi pa rin po tayo nakaka 1/2 sa ating gasolina from the 3/4. So, laki pa rin tipid. Yeah, so that's it. Let's head home. Bought some snacks. Actually, dinner. Late dinner bago umuwi. Dito sa stopover lang sa may gas station somewhere. Anyways, kakain muna kami. And yeah, sige. Hungry na.
Oh my God, kamukha ko si Marison dito.
Kamukha mo na iya.
Ako singgit eh. Ikaw, kamukha ko si Lola Mami.
Ayan. So guys, we're already along EDSA. Kanina pa traffic as in sobrang heavy. Since bumaba kami from Magallanes sa along EDSA non-stop. So partida, at least masusubukan talaga ang fuel efficiency ng Nissan Kicks. Okay, so finally home. We just got home. Dito na kami sa garahe. Just to recap, so from the house, took us around 65 kilometers to get to Tagaytay. So going back, total na lang more or less roughly around 130 kilometers. Nag-traffic pa ng todo papunta at pabalik. Nag-waiting pa kami sa kotse, umulan, mabagal ang biyahe. We even had late dinner na nakatenga kami sa stopover. We started off with 3/4 gasoline. Now, nasa 1/2 pa lang. Tingnan ninyo guys. So kanina 3/4, ngayon 1/2 lang. So more or less ang total talaga lang na na-consume is just 1/4 of gasoline. And that's already a round trip from the house to Tagaytay and back. Yun. So nakaka-impress lang talaga ang fuel efficiency ng Nissan Kicks. If you're looking for a vehicle na makakatipid talaga kayo sa gas and at the same time is sustainable, environmentally friendly and all, I highly recommend that you consider the Nissan Kicks. Go for a test drive para makita ninyo. The drive is wonderful, napaka-smooth, ang ganda ng acceleration. So maraming salamat for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Sana naging informative ang video na ito. And I'll see you on future videos and future drives as well. Bye!